to PPTGenix. So today we are going to see how to design ID card using Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So let's start. So first of all, we'll insert shape. So basically it's going to be this shape. Okay. Alright, perfect. Now in the next step, I am going to choose a color. So white color, and the shape outline is going to be the no outline, as we don't want any kind of outline for the ID card. Now in the next step, I am going to insert the same shape again. All right, so here the same shape goes over here. Okay, and by pressing this key we can adjust the corners. Yeah, perfect. And for this I think this should be the right way for it. Yeah, now let's take it a little bit upwards. And now in the next step, I am going to insert a rectangle, and the rectangle is going to be till the middle of the previous shape, like this. Okay, now by pressing the Ctrl key, I'm going to select another shape, and I'm going to merge shape, and I'm going to subtract it. Very easy. Now let's give it some color. So I am going to use this maroon color, and the outline is going to be the no outline. Now in the next step, let's insert more shapes to make your ID card more attractive. All right, so now in the next step, I'm going to add the circle. Okay, and basically the circle is going to be like this, and it's going to be till here and a little bit. Yeah, perfect. This kind of circle I want. A little bit. Yeah. Okay, now in the next step, let's insert this rectangle. Okay, sorry, this shape, and I'm going to insert it over here. Okay, so now first of all I am going to select this image, then I'm going to select the oval. Okay, so first of all I'm going to select this shape. Now by pressing the Ctrl key, I'm going to select the oval. Now we'll go to the merge shape option, and I am going to subtract. So basically we have this kind of image. All right, so now let's increase its size a little bit till here. We want to extend it. Okay, so let's give it some color. So maroon. All right, now let's press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy and place it exactly on top of the previous one, and let's reduce its size a little bit, only this much. And the shape outline is going to be the no outline, and shape fill is going to be the green color this time. All right, now make exact copy by pressing the Ctrl D, and this time let's reduce the size a little bit more, and the shape fill is going to be the black color. Okay, so similarly we want to give the same effect over here. So let's increase its size a little bit till here. Press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy. Place it exactly on top of the previous one. Let's reduce its size, and let's fill the green color. Okay, Ctrl D, make the exact copy, place on top of the other, fill with the black color, and reduce its size a little bit. All right, perfect. Now in the next step, we want to create one slot for the image of the candidate. So for that, we can either have the square shape or we can have the circle. So this time we are going to add the square. Okay, fine. So let's place it somewhat over here. If you want, you can replace it with the oval also. Okay, so change shape to oval. Okay, whatever you think suits the best, you can select that particular shape. Now this time the shape fill is going to be somewhat this color. Okay, basically we do not want to add any color, we want to add an image. So you can add an image, and here the weight is going to be 4.5 points, but the color is going to be this dark green or the maroon color. All right, so I will go for this maroon color. Or what else you can do, press the Ctrl D key to make the exact copy and reduce the size of the circle a little bit, only a little bit, and place it exactly over here. And then you can choose the green color and let's increase the perfect. All right, now we just need to add the name of the company. So for that, I am going to select the same name that I have used here. So Ctrl C and Ctrl V, the name of the company, and the logo is going to be at the top. And now we need to add the detail. So I'll use the same one from here and I'm going to paste it over here. Basically, you need to add a text box. Okay, fine. Another text box for the name. Here. And if you want, you can also add the designation. Go to the shape. Let's use this rectangle and let's draw one rectangle over here. Perfect. Now the shape outline is going to be no outline, and the shape fill is going to be this dark blue color. All right, now in the next step, I'm going to insert again another rectangle. All right, so we'll go to the insert shape option, rectangle, and here I am going to add it over here. Okay, now I'm going to add a triangle. So I'll select this triangle and its base should be equal to this one, like this. And now I'm going to flip it vertically, and now I'm going to bring it down like this. Perfect. So by pressing the Ctrl key, I'm going to select both the images, and in the merge shape option, I'm going to select the union. Alright, so basically we have created one single image like this. Alright, now in the next step, I'm going to select the color. So let's choose white color. Yep. Now in the next step, I'm going to insert a line. So let's start from here. All right, perfect. Now I'll go to the shape outline, and the weight is going to be the 6 points. Again, I'll go to the shape outline, and more lines, we'll go to the more line option. Okay. And I am going to select this kind of line, or we can select this kind of line as well. Perfect, and the points can be more. Yep, perfect. Now again, press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy, and I'm going to place it on the other side like this. Now again press the Ctrl D to make the exact copy, but this time we are going to rotate it like this and bring it till here. Okay, see, perfect. Now let's press the Ctrl D again to make the exact copy, and this time let's bring it till here. All right, look, in the next step I'm going to insert another shape, that is the oval. Okay, so I'm going to start making the oval by pressing the Shift key, and now release. All right, and the color of this oval is going to be white, and the outline is going to be no outline. All right, white color. And I'm going to place it over here. Okay, now I'm going to press Ctrl D to make the exact copy of the circle. This time the shape fill is going to be this one, and the shape outline is going to be for 4.5 points, and its outline will be of this color. Okay, so by pressing the Shift key, I'm going to reduce the size like this, and I'm going to place it over here.